Can you also speak to these other people ambao nafikiria kwamba for you to do agribusiness you must have a degree or something? Is it a requirement per se?
Let me tell you something. Personally, what I believe, God created us and created us to succeed. And God did not leave us in the hands of what we can do or not do. He gave us all that we need to succeed. If we want to do other things, we can do. By the way, to grow vegetables or to keep cows or to keep whatever is not knowledge that we'll go to school and acquire per se. It is our passion that will make us always gather knowledge on how to do it better and better and better and become more innovative. But coincidentally, I want to say education is very important, but sometimes it is limiting. It makes us think in a straight line. It makes us, you know, just this is the way to go. But you forget that life is also outside your path. You get it? Because I don't have this degree, so I cannot do this. The best way to learn to do agribusiness is apprenticeship. Apprenticeship in this sense that learn physically. Can you see how so and so is doing this? What can you borrow genuinely? Kutoka kwa kile ambacho anafanya. Yes. And what can you borrow from that guy genuinely and put here? And what can you borrow from here? And how can you, lesson have you learned from this? And put them there like somebody who is mature. As in, you don't want to keep on, you bring things, you know, knowledge that you have acquired that you don't employ to work for you is useless knowledge. Useless knowledge because you not benefit. And very useless in that case. Yes. Beneficial knowledge is knowledge that you come and employ and delivers for you. It's always important, only important when you have employed it to work for you.